When it comes to design, they say the faster the more efficient. Welcome to another video of CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers, and in this video I'm going to show you 7 design habits that will improve your modeling speed in SOLIDWORKS and make you faster with your designs. For this list, there's no order like from least useful to most useful. They're just good design habits that I suggest you adopt them early on in order to improve your design efficiency. You can master them all, or simply choose to utilize those that better complement your design character. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. But since time's short, let's hop right into the video. I will start off by proposing you to learn how to customize your user interface by right-clicking on any of these tabs. This is very important because it allows you to remove unnecessary tabs from your workspace, helping you to focus only in commands that you use, which by the way can also be added in any of your tabs if you right-click on the Customize of the right-click menu. Here you can see we have various tabs which we'll explore later. For now, I want you to focus on the Commands tab, and let's search for a command that I use a lot, like Combine. With a simple drag and drop to my Features tab, it's added there for convenience. So keep in mind this option because we will return again as this video progresses. Supposedly now I am ready to begin designing my part. One thing that I like to use a lot and makes me faster is the Context Toolbar. When you select items in the Graphics area or Feature Manager design tree, context toolbars appear and provide access to frequently performed actions for that context. For example, clicking on a plane gives access to the Sketch command, as you can see here. This reduces the number of clicks and the distance I have to travel with my mouse, often called mouse miles. Now that I am familiar with reducing my mouse miles, I want to avoid approaching these tabs, especially when I have to alternate between commands all the time. So what I do instead is to use the keyboard shortcuts. By pressing the C key on my keyboard, I can initiate the circle command, which allows me to draw a circle fast. These shortcuts, luckily for us, are modifiable and can be found in the Customize tab I showed you earlier, under the Keyboard Shortcuts section. As you can see, I have already set the circle and the Smart Dimensions tool for the demonstration. This one's ready to be extruded. Again, avoiding making great distances with your mouse saves both time and strain on your wrists. By holding the right mouse button and slightly moving your mouse, a wheel appears allowing you to choose among commands. If you swipe towards any of the quarters of this wheel, the indicated command will be activated, which by the way gives me the opportunity to suggest you to learn to position your hands properly on the keyboard, since distributing your work in both hands reduces greatly your design time. Like shortcuts, your mouse gestures are fully customizable from the Customize window, and they can also be different for part, assembly, or drawing environments. Keep in mind that you can also utilize right-click menus almost everywhere in SOLIDWORKS. Even when a command like Boss Extrude is active, you can gain access to more options by right-clicking in the viewport. But what I like the most in SOLIDWORKS is the shortcut bar, also known as the Superman toolbar. It is activated by pressing the S on your keyboard, and it appears next to your cursor, so I can have access to my most commonly used commands. And they have even added a search function in the newest releases of SOLIDWORKS at the bottom of the bar, so we can simply search for the command that we want to use. As everything we've seen so far, this shortcut bar is also modifiable. Finally, now that we've learned how to utilize shortcuts efficiently, let's talk about the inbuilt commands of the software that can reduce time. By utilizing commands like patterns or mirrors, you can have an easier time with what you design, both feature or sketch based. Keep in mind that you can also copy features not only by holding the Ctrl and dragging and dropping within the same part, but you can also use the common Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy a feature from one part to another, or simply Ctrl and drag and drop the feature that you want to copy from one pod to another. And if you happen to have more advanced equipment than mine, or something sophisticated like a space mouse, I recommend making full use of its customization features. I don't have one to demonstrate, but if someone ever decides to sponsor me, I wouldn't say no to an unboxing and customization video. After all, wouldn't it be great to have a mouse designed just for me? And it might have a unique name like the Sorcerer's Familiar or something like that, I'm not sure. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, but more importantly, I hope you found these tips useful and consider adopting them as part of your workflow. Now I'd love to hear from you. Head to the comments and share your own tricks for faster design in SOLIDWORKS. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. See you next video!